coordination ndio nikifanya vlog na kama mimi ni mboji kama niko na background yenye inaweza, you know what I'm saying, na kama naweza mbaya my people. Yeah. Missing someone. Good afternoon, guys. How you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Bibiano Diambo, aka Fashion Girl Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So it's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Cars are moving. Kids are playing outside. It is a damn. It is a hot, sunny day here in Nairobi. So I'm about to go out. I'm waiting for the sun to go down. I'm about to go out at 4 p.m. when the sun has cooled down, and if not, the way it is sunny today, I'm supposed to walk to the place where I'm going to. I am going to carry an umbrella and go there. There's no shame. I'm going to carry an umbrella and go there with an umbrella if it's still going to be sunny at 4 p.m. So yes, I've chosen outfits that I want to wear. I'm actually confused on what I want to wear. So I wanted to wear this off-shoulder. Wait. Guy, ngojeni kidogo. I wanted to wear this white off-shoulder top. This one. And I was saying if I wear it, of course, I'm going to wear it with this black denim pants. And then another option was this white t-shirt, black denim pants, denim. English. Denims are black na hii top ya white. Alafu nilikuwa na plan nivae na hii coat ya pink, but because kuna jua nyingi, I might not wear this pink coat. I'll just carry it. But this pink coat, you guys are used to seeing me. I have this pink coat in each and every video. Probably in each and every vlog, I wear that pink coat. Another look was, come on, wait a minute. Another look was the same black pants. Okay, everything I'm supposed to wear, the top is supposed to go with this black pants. Yeah, this is the main outfit. So this black pants, white t-shirt again, and then this long sweater. I was planning to wear this long green sweater. I'm planning to wear that, or if that doesn't happen, I'm going to wear that black and white and then carry this denim jacket. So yeah, but the way it's sunny, the probability of me wearing all those other things that I've mentioned is nil. So I think I'm just going to go with this off-shoulder shirt and this black denim. Basically that's it. And then my face is behaving funny. No, these are just black spots. Okay, they're normal anyway. So my face is behaving funny. I want to scrub it, then take a shower. And yes, I'm still in my stocking because I want to go take a shower. So I want to scrub my face, take a shower, and then I'll see you on the other side. Okay, actually I'll show you my outfit of the day. And by the way, if you watch my videos, you've noticed that I have moved locations from that wall over there. If you watch my videos, there's always a wall behind me, and then I discovered that here where I put my jackets, there's very good light, and I decided from today onwards this is where we're going to do our videos. So maybe I should just panga these jackets, nizipange coordinate, zifanye color coordination, ndio nikifanya vlog Nakani kama mimi ni mboji. Nakani kama niko na background yenye inaweza. You know what I'm saying? Nakani kama naweza mbaya, my people. I'm just excited that I'm getting out of the house today. Anyway, so yeah, and I'll be wearing white sneakers. Of course, I will. Nitaziweka kamba. Of course, I will weka them kamba. Okay, English is not easy. It is not my first language, so you'll pardon me. These ones, nitaziweka kamba, of course. I hope they are going to translate down here. Do they translate automatically? I hope they're going to do that. Anyway, let's go scrub our face. I'm going to use the normal scrubber that I normally use, a unga ya ugali. Scrub my face with that. Yes, you see I have black spot. 1 2 1 2. This one I got last month, this one I got the month before, this one, yani every month I have one during that time of the month. But I'm grateful that God blessed me with good skin. Grateful for that. So yeah, let's go scrub our face and then we head out. Sawa. If I'm carrying an umbrella, I'll let you know in the next 2 hours. Hello guys, I'm back. So I'm already dressed up and ready to go. It's a few minutes to 4, and yes, the sun has gone down, so I'm ready to go. And today I can see that kizungu inanipiga chenga, kizungu inanipatia changamoto. Translation, English is escaping me. English is giving me unnecessary stress. Anyway, a girl Toto is looking fine. I look like baby. I look like mtoto. I look like darling. So before I leave, I wanted to plug you on to some movies on Netflix. Have you watched 40 Sticks? It's a Kenyan movie. Loved it. Have you watched Disconnect? A Kenyan movie, also loved it. And then there's a Nigerian movie, it's called Living in Bondage and Breaking Free. If you haven't watched it, you need to watch it. It's an awesome movie. And then there's also another Nigerian movie. There's actually part 1 and part 2. We have Merrymen 1 and Merrymen 2. Beautiful movies. If you've watched them or you're going to watch them, just let me know in the comment section what you thought about them. Okay, and then again, the highlight of the last week of November was the fact that I was able to be part of YouTube Black Creators Week. I was able to be a part of that. I learned a whole lot of things. Really grateful. I'm going to put them into practice and see how it goes. So that for me was a highlight for last week. That for me was a win. Okay, let me just stop talking. Let me just stop saying too much. That I'm looking cute and I'd love for you guys to look at me. Toto, baby, honey, queen, Toto, baby. Anyway, let me go. Let me just leave you. I'll see you later in the day or probably tomorrow. Okay, until then, I'm just going to leave you with a small footage of the YouTube Black Creators Week Africa. Good morning. Good morning, my loves. How are you guys? So, I just woke up and I was thinking to myself about how people have double standards when it comes to body shaming. Yeah. So, I get this a lot. Oh, you're skinny, you should eat more, right? But if I return the favor and tell the same person, you're fat, you should eat less, it becomes body shaming. It becomes, oh, you're disrespectful, you're body shaming, etc. So I want to ask you guys, so you that tells me that I should eat more, me, you're not body shaming me. It is you. When I tell you that you should eat less, that is when I'm body shaming you. So most of the time when someone tells me this, I keep quiet and keep it moving. But I've gotten to a point where if you try me, if you just try me, I'm just going to let you know what's up. Because there's no way I'm supposed to eat more, and if I tell you to eat less, it's a problem. Okay, let's go have breakfast because apparently I'm supposed to eat more. Ooh, humans. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. Why are you concerned? What is the concern me? Tuangalie expiry date. Sell by 8 of hiyo ni 8 of December, kesho kutwa tutakuwa tumemaliza hizi vitu.